our Chancellor, His Highness the Aga Khan, the Chairman and the members of the Board of Trustees, our Chief Guest, Melinda French Gates, President Feroz Rasool, Provost and Vice President Academic, Karl Amrain, Dean Dr. Rosina Karmaliani, distinguished faculty and staff, friends of the university, including our donors, supporters, partners, and volunteers, family members of the graduates, and above all, the members of the graduating class of 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. We are delighted to welcome you to the convocation ceremony for the class of 2020 of the School of Nursing and Midwifery in Pakistan. My name is Laila Akbar Qasim. I am a senior instructor at the Aga Khan University School of Nursing and Midwifery. It's a great honor and enormous pleasure for me to be the MC for the ceremony and host this very special occasion. Partners, we are sorry that we could not be all together in person, but are extremely delighted that the technology have allowed all of you to be with us in celebrating the achievements of our proud graduates. In a few moments, we will begin the formal proceedings with the playing of the national anthem. This will be followed by Dean's remarks and the presentation of the degrees. It will then be followed by a speech from the valedictorian, faculty awards, student awards, and the conferment of the university awards. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you all to please rise for the playing of our national anthem. May I now request Dean Dr. Rosina Karmaliani to please deliver her remarks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our Chancellor, His Highness the Aga Khan, the Chairman and the members of the Board of Trustees, our Chief Guest, Melinda French Gates, President Feroz Rasool, Provost and Vice President Academic, Karl Amrain, distinguished faculty, staff, friends of the university, including our donors, supporters, partners, and volunteers, family members of the graduates, and above all, members of the graduating class of 2020. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. Class of 2020, today is your day, and we all are very, very thankful for the first half of the ceremony here today. Class of 2020, while traditionally your parents and loved ones have been celebrating your day with you, this unique situation has required that they attend your convocation ceremony today online. To acknowledge their presence, their contribution to your journey and to your success, I would like to request all of you to please rise and give them a huge round of applause for the parents. Let us also pay tribute to the faculty and staff who work tirelessly in these trying times to make today's ceremony possible for all of us. So to the faculty and the staff. It is indeed a great blessing that during these troubling times, we had the opportunity to celebrate days and events like today, to rejoice and celebrate, giving us a sense of hope, optimism, energy, and faith in the better days to come. It is a day to rejoice not only your own success, it is also to rejoice the vision of the founder and the Chancellor of Aga Khan University, His Highness Prince Karim Aga Khan IV. It is an occasion to reflect and to cherish the achievement and the history in making of the Aga Khan University School of Nursing and Midwifery for their achievements over the last 4 decades. As you know that 1983, a plant was put, and through that plant, now more than 3,000 plus alumni around the globe are giving us the fruit and they are blossoming. And class of 2020, you are joining that alumni group today. So congratulations to each one of you. Maybe some of you may be thinking that the real fun of working physically in 2020 and 2021 was totally missing. But the faculty made up with untiring efforts and innovative methods of gelling the multicultural student bodies from Karachi to Punjab to interior Sindh to Gilgit-Baltistan and Chitral, so all can study and learn together. Class of 2020, you are unique. You are unique badge because you have survived pandemic, because you went through the substantial virtual simulation learning, and today you are graduating in the year which is internationally celebrated as the year for nurses and midwifery. You are the class of 2020. I am here reminded of the thoughts of our today's chief guest, Melinda French Gates, which she shared at the Stanford 2014 graduation. Take your genius and optimism and your empathy and go change the world. Change the world in the ways that will make millions of others optimistic as well. Our Chancellor, a great visionary, saw that the university and the School of Nursing and Midwifery as the gateway of growth, both in magnitude and dignity for both professionals, nursing and midwifery, and for the women empowerment in Pakistan and in the region. Thank you to our Chancellor for the great vision and the guidance throughout. The pinnacle of our success was recognized when it came from the 8 of our alumni being nominated and awarded the Best Nurses Award in the world during 2020 by none other than World Health Organization. So to our alumni for getting this brilliant award in 2020. Today is the vision. Today is the vision with action also, because we believe in vision with the action philosophy that has seen this distinguished institution. This distinguished institution is the first educational institution in Pakistan where we initiated the post-RN programs, first in the country, 4-year BSc program, master's program, first in the country. So nationally, we have shifted the apprenticeship model into higher education for the country. Bravo to everyone here. So ladies and gentlemen, dear class of 2020 and faculty, the progress doesn't stop there. For the first time in the history of Aga Khan University, School of Nursing and Midwifery, and indeed in Pakistan, we have successfully launched and completed our dream. The first PhD in nursing, Dr. Khairunisa Ajani, is the first recipient of this initiative. Congratulations, Dr. Ajani. All this was possible, we all know, only through the Chancellor's vision and guidance, support of the Board of Trustees, encouragement of the President, confidence of the Provost, and indeed with all the commitment of all the faculty and staff and you all students that we have seen the day today. To the class of 2020. I would like to express my deep gratitude to the parents and the families who supported throughout this educational journey, to the young men and women which paved to be the pillar and the strength of their dedication and performance today. I would like to encourage and congratulate all of you for achieving this goal today for yourselves and for your parents and families. So class of 2020, you deserve to celebrate this occasion with all the halla gullas which you would like to do, which you can possibly do with all the SOPs which has been enforced. So go and do the halla gulla with the Pakistan enforcement of the SOPs and the AKU suggestions. I would like to assure you that it has been our endeavor to produce professionals like you with intellectual curiosity, with creativity, with professional skills which you all possess. You have been enriched, and I am giving the assurance, you have been enriched, and you know that with all the tools that you need to develop for interprofessional disciplinary approach to enable and innovate, to contribute in the societal problems of today, for saving those problems and for the future betterment of the healthcare system of Pakistan. You are prepared for it. So go and contribute in the civil society development to save the life and give your direct care and your clinical competence in your decision making with the doctors and other healthcare providers as a team. You can do it because you have all the skills. You have been trained from the Aga Khan University School of Nursing and Midwifery because you are the graduate of class of 2020. So, is this the end? As we heard from other students, valedictorian and graduates, that to the nursing students, I'm saying this again, that this is not the end, but this is the beginning of the journey in the real world, in the world of saving life, in the world of the new healthcare system, in the world where the public health needs you. So I would say, and many of you can recognize, perhaps those who don't understand Urdu, I apologize. सितारों के आगे जहां और भी हैं, अभी नर्सिंग के इम्तिहान और भी हैं. So this is certainly not the end. So we would be anticipating and we will be carefully following your journey to see that are you continuing what you have learned and your 3 P's which you have continuously doing, the passion with which you have studied, the persistence with which you have worked hard, and the patience you have shown during the COVID time of 2020 and 21. Today you are progressing with the practical arena into the healthcare system you are entering. I wish you all the best, and I wish to leave you with the 3 I's. And where did I learn these 3 I's from? From the person who has been mentor to all of us, our own beloved trustee, Dr. Afaf Malis. She shared with me, and I'm sharing in person with you, 3 I's: innovate, integrate, and impact. Innovate for the better solutions. Innovate to the challenging time of the healthcare system. Integrate yourself with the culture and the society. Be interprofessional. Work with your teams and show the impact because you are the ambassadors of the Aga Khan University School of Nursing and Midwifery. Go with the same zeal and commitment which you have shown throughout the journey of your student life. Bravo to all of you, class of 2020, for showing your commitment towards these trying times. As an alumna myself, you all collectively represent my journey. And I see also myself on your side too. And therefore, I'm telling you today that along with me, Medical College Dean and CEO Aga Khan Hospital are also the alumni of this university. So our doors are open to all of you. Come up with your energy. Come up with your fresh ideas. Sonam doors are open. Our doors are open. Let us work together. Let us work together for the elderly care, for the palliative care, for the adolescent's health, for the mother and child, and make this world a better world to live. Indeed, your success, when you will be going and performing in the areas of education, clinical practice, research, your success and your journey is our achievement. It is our pride. And I would say to all of you, Mubarak to all of you, Shabash, give a pat to your back and say that you have done it today. And today you are celebrating, which almost seemed impossible in the year 2020. Let us also take this opportunity to thank our Chancellor, His Highness, our Board of Trustees members, our President and Provost for their guidance, support, encouragement, and confidence in us. I would say thank you, President Firoz Rasool, for believing in us and for supporting. We wish you all the best as you move to the new life and the new journey with your family. We welcome our new President, President Sulaiman Shahabuddin, and we assure our full support and energies to you. And we welcome your wife, my class fellow of 1987, Dr. Zeenat Sulaiman, back home with us at this platform. At the end, I would say, let's rejoice and celebrate. Celebrate your day and let us pray that while you all toss your heads today at the end of the graduation, soon inshallah, with the vaccine, we all can toss our masks soon. So my dear class of 2020 graduates of Aga Khan University, which is one of the finest university of Pakistan and the region, congratulations to all of you. You have been fantastic. Stay strong, emerge stronger, save life, make a difference. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dean Karmalyani. This brings us to the most awaited special moment that our graduates have been desperately waiting for. We are very pleased to present to you the graduating classes of 2020 in the School of Nursing and Midwifery in Pakistan. I would like to invite Dr. Tazeen Ali, Professor and Assistant Dean, Research and Graduate Studies, to announce the names of the recipients in the PhD and the Masters of Science in Nursing program in the School of Nursing and Midwifery. May I request Dean Karmalyani to please come forward. Graduates, as you come forward, may I request you to collect your parchments, come up to the stage and have your photograph taken with the Dean.
Our Chancellor, His Highness the Aga Khan, the Chairman and members of the Board of Trustees, our Chief Guest, Melinda French Gates, President Firoz Rasool, Provost and Vice President Academic Al Arman, Dean Dr. Rosina Karmalyani, distinguished faculty and staff, friends of the university, including our donors, supporters, partners, and volunteers, family members of the graduates, and above all, the members of the graduating class of 2020. It's my pleasure to announce the name of the graduates from the School of Nursing and Midwifery, class of 2020, who have successfully completed the required program of study. I'm going to begin by calling the name of the graduate from Doctor of Philosophy in Health Sciences, Nursing. We are proud to announce our first nationally qualified PhD nursing graduate, Dr. Khairul Nisa Abdul Hamid Ajani. From Karachi, degree conferred with great distinction. Now, I will be calling the name of the graduates from the Masters of Science in Nursing. Abdul Karim from Bunair. Aftab Ahmed Khan from Chitral, degree conferred with distinction. Anna Rana from Alipur, degree conferred with distinction. Azwa Aziz from Karachi, degree conferred with distinction. Fatima Mohammad Kirmiani from Karachi, degree conferred with distinction. Anayatullah Khan from Karachi. Kausar Kareem from Karachi, degree conferred with distinction. Khatija Shafiq Sabz Ali Dosa from Karachi, degree conferred with distinction. Kiran Qasim Ali Khwaja from Karachi, degree conferred with distinction. Mehke Ali from Karachi. Muhammad Alias from Swat. Rahila Abdul Rahman from Karachi. Seema Sadruddin from Karachi, degree conferred with distinction. Shugufta Sher Ali Khan from Gizar. Shakir Rahman from Bunair. Sohail Nasir from Chital, degree conferred with distinction. Sunita Bahadur Ali from Karachi, degree conferred with distinction. Zahira Amir Ali from Karachi, degree conferred with great distinction. Excellent. Now, I will call the names of the graduates in graduate program who were unable to attend ceremony in person. Karishma Kareem from Karachi, degree conferred with distinction. Reema Roshan Ali from Karachi, degree conferred with distinction. Salma Abdul Aziz from Karachi, degree conferred with distinction. And Shabana Jabeen from Karachi. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, Dr. Tazeen and Dean Karmalyani. I now invite Dr. Rubina Barolia, Associate Professor and Assistant Dean Clinical Practice for the School of Nursing and Midwifery, to announce the names of the recipients in the undergraduate programs in the School of Nursing and Midwifery. May I request Dean Karmalyani to please come forward. Graduates, as you come forward, may I request you to collect your parchments, come up to the stage, and have your photograph taken with the Dean.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Our Chancellor, His Highness the Aga Khan, the Chairman and members of the Board of Trustees, our Chief Guest, Melinda French Gates, President Firoz Rasool, Provost and Vice President Academic, Karl Amrahan, Dean Dr. Rosina Karmalyani, distinguished faculty and staff, friends of the university, including our donors, supporters, partners and volunteers, family members of the graduates, and above all, the members of the graduating class of 2020. It is my pleasure to announce the names of the graduates from the undergraduate program of the School of Nursing and Midwifery, class of 2020, who have successfully completed the required programs of study. Graduates of Post-RN Bachelors of Science in Nursing. Kiran Shaukat Ali from Karachi. Madiha Ashik Ali Khwaja from Tando Alayar. Madiha Rafiq from Karachi. Mehreen Nurala from Karachi. Muhammad Asim from Karachi, Merit Certificate for Nursing Research. Nadia Nayab from Karachi, Award for Nursing Leadership. Naveed Haider from Karachi. Nazina Azmat Shah from Sherkila Gizar. Nadia Parveen from Karimabad Hunza. Nida Parveen from Karimabad Hunza. Noman Nizam from Karachi, Merit Certificate for Nursing Research. Noreen Nurala from Karachi. Roshan Ara from Karachi. Safina Akbar Ali from Karachi. Salma Pari from Gojal Hunza. Sanam Salim from Karachi, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate for Humanities, Mental Health Nursing, Nursing Research and Sciences, Award for Nursing Practice, and the highest academic achievement award for post-RN BSN program. Sardar Ali Khan from Chitral, Sara Ejaz from Karachi, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate in Nursing Research and Sciences. Shamim Salim from Karachi, Shehla Banu from Nasirabad, Hunza, Shehliza Pyar Ali Khwaja from Karachi, Sultan Aziz from Madakalach, Chitral, Sumaira Gulzar Ali Khwaja from Tando Alayar, Zaitoon Muhammad Akbar Shah from Fundar Gizar, Zubaida Najmuddin from Karachi, graduates of Post-RN Bachelors of Science in Midwifery, Amreen Nabi Baksh from Lasbela, Balochistan, Farida Abdul Wahid Gwadar, Josephine Kausar from Faisalabad, Nusrat Bibi Panezai, Pishin, Balochistan, Sabah Parveen from Tando Alayar, Zulaikha Hasni from Barkhan, Quetta, Award for Midwifery Practice. Now I will announce the names of the graduates of Bachelors of Science in Nursing. Arifa Akbar Ali from Karachi, Awaizia Imtiaz Ali from Karachi, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate for Nursing Research. Abdul Wali from Chirvil, Garam Chashma, Chitral. Afshin Rustam Beg from Sher Qila, Gizar. Ali Afzal from Gich, Gizar. Aliza Aziz from Karachi. Amar Altaf from Karachi, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate for Adult Health Nursing, Child Health Nursing, Community Health Nursing, Mental Health Nursing, Nursing Research and Sciences, and Award for Nursing Leadership and Professional Development. Amina Sultana from Gojal, Hunza. Anusha Ilyas from Lahore. Asima Hamid from Rashum Chitral. Atya Ali from Husainabad, Hunza. Bibi Amina from Garam Chashma, Chitral, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate for Adult Health Nursing and Sciences. Bilal Ramzan from Karachi. Bushra Nas from Buni, Chitral, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate for Nursing Research and Sciences. Fatima Muhammad Saeed Hayat from Karachi. Faria Sahar from Zupu, Chitral. Farida Banu from Sillas, Chitral, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate for Adult Health Nursing, Mental Health Nursing and Sciences. Faryal Lal Beg from Oshikhandaz, Gilgit. Faryal Amir from Buni, Chitral. Farzana Murad from Buni, Chitral. Farzeen Shamsher Khwaja Talhar Badeen from Talhar Badeen, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificates for Adult Health Nursing, Child Health Nursing, Nursing Research and Sciences. Fatima Safdar from Jutial, Gilgit. Ghazal Sohail from Karachi. Hashima Bibi from Mukh Garam Chashma, Chitral. Hasina Amir Shah, Single Gizzard. Hira Hajatullah Khan from Sher Qila, Gizal. Hina Munawwar Khan from Tingdas, Gizar, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate for Nursing Research. Huma Amin from Dorkhan, Hunza. Huma Mir from Garam Chashma, Chitral. Inara Amin from Karachi, Dean's Honor Roll. Inara Amin Hashim from Karachi. Inara Amir Ali from Karachi. Inara Anwar Ali Bardai from Karachi, Dean's Honor Roll. Inara Sohail from Karachi, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate for Nursing Research. Inara Zulfikar Ali from Hyderabad. Inara Kamal from Murtazabad, Hunza. Inara Sadruddin from Karachi. Ikra Muhammad Iqbal from Karachi. Iram Shehzadi from Sultanabad, Gilgit. Irfana Rahmat from Kush Chitral, Dean's Honor Roll. Kainat Shah from Jamathana Bazar, Gilgit. Karishma Muhammad Khan from Nasirabad, Hunza. Kashif Yasmin from Lone Chitral. Kashmala Johar Ali Shah from Garam Chashma, Chitral. Kazma Sarbaz from Nazimabad, Sust, Hunza. Lamha Salim Sayani from Karachi. Mahin Nizar Chagani from Karachi. Mehak Nawaz from Hyderabad, Hunza, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate for Adult Health Nursing, Nursing Research and Sciences. Misbah Shah from Khyber, Hunza. Muhammad Atta from Gojal, Hunza. Muhammad Tabriz from Bahrain, Sawat. Muskan Mehdi from Karachi. Nadia Bahadur from Somal, Gizar. Nadia Gari Khan from Sultanabad, Gilgit. Naeem Alam from Aliabad, Hunza. Nahid Akhtar from Buni, Chitral. Nahid Begum from Gopis, Gizar. Nahida Karim from Sassoon Chitral. Naila Afshan from Gojal Hunza. Naila Jabin from Sunich Chitral. Nain Tara from Hyderabad. Nasima Bibi from Khalti Rizal. Nishman Murad Ali from Karachi. Nosheen Alam from Barkolti Yasin Rizal. Norina Rashid from Gich Punyal Rizal, Dean's Honor Roll. Nuzat Ehsam from Nazimabad Sust Gojal Hunza. Rahat Javed Iqbal from Karachi, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate for Child Health Nursing, Nursing Research and Sciences. Reema Mahmud from Buni Chitral. Rifa Zulfikar from Karachi. Roshan Mohammad Wali from Sumal Yasin Rizal. Rosina Tajdin from Karachi, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificates for Adult Health Nursing, Community Health Nursing, Mental Health Nursing, Nursing Research and Sciences. Rufeda Riaz Ali from Karachi. Ruhina Khudu from Khorok, Tajikistan. Sabika Wali from Tehrish Chitral. Sabiha Amir Ali from Karachi, Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate for Nursing Research. Sabreen Husainullah Beg from Garil Hunza. Safira Hayat from Buni Chitral. Safura Hussain Ali from Karachi. Sehrish Salim from Karachi, Merit Certificate for Nursing Research. Sehrish Sultan Ali Khwaja from Sujawal. Sajila Parveen from Hyderabad, Hunza, Dean's Honor Roll. Salima Murad from Muk Karam Chashma, Chitral. Salvina Abbas from Dorkhan, Hunza. Samina Amir from Sonikot, Jutial, Gilgit. Samina Gari Khan from Nasirabad, Hunza. Samina Jinnah from Sust, Gojal, Hunza. Samina Sahar from Somal, Gupis, Khizr. Sara Salim from Karachi. Sardar Ayub Khan from Garam Chashma, Chitral. Savera Tanveer from Faisalabad. Seema Beg from Murtazabad, Hunza. Shahabnur Alauddin from Karachi, Merit Certificate for Nursing Research. Shabina Amir from Gakuch, Gizr. Shabana Abdul Hamid from Karimabad, Hunza. Shahana Shaheen from Janrod, Gupis, Khizr. Shahina Ashraf Ali from Karachi, Dean's Honor Roll. Shahnaz Azim from Turko, Chitral. Shakiba Bakidar from Kabul, Afghanistan. Shamim Ara from Masjid Chitral. Shanila Noor from Sher Qila, Khizr. Sheba Kareem from Karimabad, Hunza. Shahnaz Ghulam Nasir from Karimabad, Hunza. Shehzadi Samiul Hayat from Karimabad, Hunza. Shujaat Anwar from Gopis Rizal. Sidra Shaheen from Danior, Gilgit. Siraj Ali from Hyderabad. Sayyid Mehboob Ali Shah from Karimabad, Chitral. Saida Sharif from Hinjil, Chitral. Tamkina Khanam from Madakalas, Chitral. Urusa Mumtaz from Sultanabad, Gilgit. Usman Amir from Karimabad, Chitral. Uzma Ali Jan from Sultanabad, Gilgit. Uzma Nizar from Karachi. These honor roll merit certificates for adult health nursing, community health nursing, humanities, mental health nursing, nursing research and sciences. Award for nursing leadership and professional development, award for nursing practice, and highest academic achievement award for BSCN program. Uzma Parveen from Dudushit, Gupis, Rizal. Zahida Bahadur Wali Khan, Pandar from Pandar, Gupis, Rizal. Zarima Nadir from Yasin, Rizal. Zeenat Mukhtar Hussain from Madakalash, Chitral. Zilisha Altaf Hussain from Tando Muhammad Khan. And Zubaida Khanam from Disk, Chitral. Mubaraki and congratulations to all.
Thank you, Dr. Rubina and Dean Karmalyani. Our graduating nurses will now make their pledge. All the BSCN nurses are requested to please stand.
To give loyal support and cooperation to all members of the top team, I will do my utmost to honor the tradition of nurses and uphold the integrity of the profession.
Congratulations. It is customary at the convocation for a member of the graduating classes to represent our graduates and share with the audience their experiences and aspirations. I would now like to call upon Dr. Khairunisa Ajani, a graduate of the PhD program in the School of Nursing and Midwifery, for the valedictory speech.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Our Chancellor, His Highness the Aga Khan, the Chairman and members of the Board of Trustees, our Chief Guest, Melinda French Gates, President Firoz Rasool, Provost and Vice President Academic Karl Amrine, Dean Rosina Karmaliani, distinguished faculty and staff, friends of the university, family members of the graduates, and above all, the members of the graduating class of 2020, a very good evening. The Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu is credited for a quote, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step." Standing here before you today, I cannot think of any statement more apt to describe our journey at AKU. We, my fellow graduates, are the class of 2020. Like the Dean said, the unique class of 2020. Like most of you, my story also began many years ago when I joined the RN Diploma program. It was a time of great change for me, much as it was for all of us when we start our journey at AKU. Our study environment was challenging and unfamiliar, but the support structure at AKU is so strong that not only does it help you to assimilate, but also to thrive and prosper in the new environment. Although I did my RN diploma, I can identify very well with the undergraduate nursing and midwifery graduates today and their journeys of assignments, OSCEs, presentations, and those clinical, from the night shifts to participating in the patient management, to being a part of the resuscitation team and practicing in the controlled chaos of the clinical ward and the labor rooms. Makes you wonder why you entered the profession in the first place. But then a thank you and a smile from a grateful patient makes it all worthwhile. After graduating with the diploma, I soon realized, however, that this was not enough, that I needed to know so much more about so many things. Thanks to our university and its policies, many like me have been able to continue our educational journey while continuing to support our families. And so the ride continued, and I successfully completed my bachelor's. My BScN satisfied my academic need for some time. But what do you do when your chancellor keeps encouraging you to aim higher? You do exactly that. So after a few years, I set my eyes on the master's degree. Our master's program was a roller coaster of emotions, exhilarating at times, frustrating at others, but challenging us all the time. I think the saying, "What doesn't kill you makes you stronger," was set for the master's program. Well, it didn't kill us, but it ran us pretty close. I remember the countless times we must have said that it's not possible for us to finish this program. And I'm sure my fellow graduates of the master's program will agree with me. I thought a master's degree would satisfy my educational appetite for some time, but I was so wrong. When the university began its PhD for the nursing stream, I became part of the select few in this program. With aging parents and young children in tow, I could not travel abroad to study. This wonderful opportunity enabled me to take up the challenge. And after 5 years of hard work, exceptional mentoring by my supervisors, and extraordinary support by the PhD committee and leadership of the School of Nursing and Midwifery, I am overjoyed that as Sonam celebrates 40 years of its existence, I stand before you as the first graduate of the nursing program at AKU, the first national graduate, paving the way, I hope, for many more to follow. To the leadership, I will say this: it is AKU that allowed us to achieve our ambition and become what we are today. I am just one of many whose lives have been transformed by the extraordinary, far-sighted vision of our Chancellor and the university. From the remotest corners of Afghanistan to the mountains of Gilgit, our university's history is replete with people like me. It is the university that embraces, nurtures, and enables us to aim higher and go further in academic excellence. For this, we will always be deeply grateful to you. To my fellow graduates, I say, we are not the same people when we started our journey. We have been transformed. We may look the same as we did when we arrived here for the first time, perhaps slightly plumper, skinnier, or grayer, but surely a great deal more fascinating and much more confident too. Our Chancellor once said, and I quote, "The degree that you receive today is something that you will take with you for the rest of your lives. The education that you have achieved is something no one can ever take from you." We are now duty-bound to improve healthcare and education standards. We have an obligation now to apply the contextually relevant knowledge to bring about innovation in the current system. We need to step up to take roles of advanced practice nurses and midwives, along with other leadership roles in education and research. So, what now? Is this the end of our ride? I don't think so. For all of us, there are mountains to conquer. For those who are graduating today as BSCNs, a master's degree awaits. For those with masters, PhD beckons. And as for me, I'm starting to think a postdoctorate would be nice. And I can hear my husband and children screaming, "Oh no, not again." The famous writer and poet Khalil Gibran said, "Progress lies not in enhancing what is, but in advancing toward what will be." Ladies and gentlemen, my fellow graduates, the journey must never stop. Thank you very much, and congratulations to all of us.
Thank you, Dr. Rajani. I would now like to invite Dr. Rafat Jan, Associate Dean for the School of Nursing and Midwifery, to announce the faculty awards. May I request Dean Karmalyani to please come forward.
Our Chancellor, His Highness the Aga Khan, the Chairman and members of the Board of Trustees, our Chief Guest, Ms. Melinda French Gates, President Feroz Rasool, Provost and Vice President Academic, Carl Amrine, Dean Dr. Rosina Karmalyani, distinguished faculty and staff, friends of university, including our donors, supporters, partners, and volunteers, family members of graduates,
and above all, the member of graduating class 2020. It is my pleasure to present the Faculty Award for School of Nursing and Midwifery, Pakistan, for the classes of 2020. First, Award for Innovation in Teaching Practices. This award is presented to recognize and celebrate innovation in higher education. The recipient of 2020 Award for Innovation in Teaching Practice is Miss Shahnaz Qasim. I request Ms. Qasim to please come on the stage to collect the award. Ms. Qasim. Congratulations. Award for Exemplary Clinical Teaching. As the title explains, this award recognizes clinical faculty for their demonstrated contribution through excellence in clinical teaching. The recipient of 2020 Award for Exemplary Teaching is Miss Zohra Kurji. Ms. Kurji is not present today as she is out of country. Early Career Teaching Award. This award is to honor a new faculty for outstanding teaching practice. The recipient of 2020 Award for Exceptional Early Career Teaching is Mr. Hussain Makbul. Mr. Makbul is also not present today as he is out of country. Mentorship Award. The AKU Mentorship Award honors individual faculty members who build a supportive academic environment through faculty-to-student mentoring and faculty-to-faculty mentoring. The recipient of 2020 Mentorship Award is Miss Salima Gulzar. I request Miss Gulzar to please come on the stage to collect award. Research Award. This award is presented to recognize significant contribution to research. The recipient of 2020 Research Award is Dr. Tazeen Ali Said. I request Ms. Ali to please come on the stage to collect the award. Ms. Ali. The next award is Collaborative Award for Teaching. The Collaborative Award for Teaching is presented to a group of faculty who undertake major undertakings. Their project requires intense collaboration between different disciplines and have been very effective. 2020 Collaborative Awards for Teaching comprises Dr. Rubina Barolia, Ms. Zohra Kurji, Ms. Sadia Abbas, Ms. Shireen Rahim, Ms. Mehtab Jaffer, Ms. Zulekha Salim. Please, those who are conferred this award, come on the stage. Ms. Sadia Abbas, Ms. Shireen Rahim, Ms. Mehtab Jaffer, and Ms. Zulekha Salim. Congratulations. Please come on the stage. Yes, I took the name. Ms. Zora Kurji, as I already mentioned, she is out of country, is part of this award. आप सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक. Thank you. Thank you. I will continue with the awards for the AKU Teacher Academy. The university is pleased to recognize members of faculty who have been awarded the inaugural membership of AKU Teachers Academy. This award recognizes demonstration of teaching excellence as well as meeting an international benchmark of teaching effectiveness. I request the faculty to come on the stage to receive their certificates. Dr. Karonissa Ajani, Senior Fellow of the Higher Education Academy. Dr. Ajani. Mubarak. Ms. Shenaz Qasim, Fellow of Higher Education Academy. Ms. Qasim, may I request you to come on stage? And Ms. Kiran Mubin, Fellow of Higher Education Academy. It is my pleasure to announce the student-nominated Teacher of the Year Award for 2020 for the School of Nursing and Midwifery. We have 2 awards, one each for the undergraduate program and for the graduate program. For the undergraduate programs, the recipient of Teacher of the Year Award is Ms. Yasmin Nadeem Parpur. May I request Ms. Parpur to please come on the stage. For the graduate program, the recipient of the Teacher of the Award is Dr. Leila Ladek. I request Dr. Ladek to please come forward to collect her award. As you know from a lot of noises and voices, these both were the students nominated award. Thank you so much. This is the end of Faculty Award. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Rafat Jan and Dean Karmalyani. Academic awards will now be presented to the best graduates of the School of Nursing and Midwifery in Pakistan. I would now like to invite Dr. Leila Ladek, Assistant Professor in the School of Nursing and Midwifery, to announce the recipients of the Best Graduate Awards of the class of 2020. May I request Dean Karmalyani to please come forward. Graduates, as your name is called, may I request you to please come forward, collect your award, come up to the stage and have your photograph taken with the Dean.
Our Chancellor, His Highness the Aga Khan, the Chairman and members of the Board of Trustees, our Chief Guest, Melinda French Gates, President Firoz Rasool, Provost and Vice President Academic Karl Amerhen, Dean Dr. Rosina Karmaliani, distinguished faculty and staff, friends of the university including our donors, supporters, partners and volunteers, family members of the graduates, and above all, the members of the graduating class of 2020. It is my pleasure to present the Students' Awards for the School of Nursing and Midwifery, Pakistan for the graduating classes of 2020. I will begin with the awards for the graduate programs, followed by the undergraduate programs. In the School of Nursing and Midwifery, Pakistan, students in the graduate programs completing the degree coursework with a cumulative GPA of at least 3.50 and a minimum 85% marks in their thesis with no resit and no repeat will have their degrees conferred with great distinction. In the Doctor of Philosophy in Health Sciences in the nursing stream, our graduate has achieved great distinction. I request Dr. Khairunisa Abdul Hamid Ajani to come to the stage and receive her award. Ms. Khairunisa Ajani. For the graduating class in the Masters of Science in Nursing, out of 22 graduating students, one student has achieved great distinction. I request Ms. Zahira Amir Ali to come to the stage and receive her award. I will continue with the awards for recipients in the undergraduate programs. There is an award each in Post-RM Bachelor of Science in Midwifery and Post-RN Bachelor of Science for Midwifery and Nursing Practice. These awards are presented to graduates whose midwifery or nursing practice is distinctive, reflects critical thinking and problem-solving ability, which enhances the integration of theoretical concepts in providing care to patients in clinical settings. From the graduating class of Post-RM Bachelor of Science in Midwifery, the recipient of the award for midwifery practice is Zulekha Husni. May I request Zulekha to please come on the stage to collect her award. From the Post-RN Bachelor of Science in Nursing program, the recipient of the award for nursing practice is also recipient of Dean's Honor Roll, Merit Certificate for Humanities, Mental Health Nursing, Nursing Research and Sciences, and highest academic achievement award for the Post-RN BScN program. May I request Sanam Salim to please come on the stage to collect her award. Sanam Salim. Highest Academic Achievement Award for BScN program is presented to a graduate attaining highest cumulative GPA among the graduating students. This year, the competition was extremely close to select the best student. We had 3 names and the 2 close runner-up candidates. They are Rosina Tajdeen and Amar Altaf. And the award for the highest academic achievement is being presented to Uzma Nizar. She is also a recipient of Dean's Honor Roll, merit certificates for adult health nursing, community health nursing, humanities, mental health nursing, nursing research and sciences, and award for nursing leadership and professional development. May I request Uzma Nizar to please come on the stage and receive the highest academic achievement award for the BACN program 2020. Congratulations to all the award recipients and thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Leila and Dean Karmalyani. Awards recognizing distinguished service and outstanding contributions by the faculty will now be presented. These are university-wide awards that are approved by the Board of Trustees. May I request Dean Karmalyani to introduce the recipient of the award in the School of Nursing and Midwifery in Pakistan.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Our Chancellor, His Highness the Aga Khan, the Chairman and the members of the Board of Trustees, our chief guest for today, Melinda French Gates, President Firoz Rasool, Provost and Vice President Academic Karl Amrahin, distinguished faculty and staff, friends of the university, including our donors, supporters, partners, and volunteers, family members, and the graduates, and above all, the members of the graduating class of 2020. It is my pleasure to announce this year's University Award of Distinction. These are presented to the members of the faculty in recognition of outstanding contribution in teaching, scholarship, service, research at the university. These awards are approved by the Board of Trustees. For the School of Nursing, the Award of Distinction this year is presented, as you heard in the first ceremony, to our own Dr. Rafat Jan. May I request you, Dr. Jan, to please come forward. Dr. Rafat Jan's innovative and dedicated leadership has advanced the nursing and midwifery profession at AKU and at the national and the global levels. A member of the School of Nursing and Midwifery of the first graduating class in 1983, she has been a pioneer throughout her career. She was the founding director of Aga Khan University School of Nursing Midwifery program. She initiated nursing curricula changes and nurse-friendly policies as the first nurse to serve the president of the Pakistan Nursing Council, also founding president of the Midwifery Association of Pakistan, and in other national leadership positions. She has recently been serving as a member of the Prime Minister Health Task Force. Dr. Rafat Jan has contributed to international research by the World Health Organization and the United Nations Population Fund. She has supported capacity building in multiple countries in Asia and Africa. Her dedicated service during the COVID-19 pandemic includes leading a group of faculty volunteers and training nurses, a group of AKU nurses, doing the 24-hour employee hotline and supporting our clients and patients and community in need. She also led the group supporting Aga Khan Health Services Pakistan, and they had established COVID field hospitals in Gilgit-Baltistan and Chitral. May I request, Dr. Jan, that you please collect your award and be recognized. Thank you all.
Thank you, Dean Karmaliani. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the proceedings of the Aga Khan University Convocation Ceremony for the class of 2020. May I request the Chancellor, His Highness the Aga Khan, to please declare convocation of the class of 2020 closed.
I declare the convocation ceremony of the Aga Khan University for the graduating classes of 2020 closed.
The academic procession will now depart.